We're here at Maxpro Technologies today to show you our portable gas booster system. This particular unit has a DLE 75 gas booster in it, which is a 75-to-1 ratio booster. The units are rated, this particular unit is rated for 10,000 psi, but we have various pressure ranges for whatever job you may need. We can change the booster and change gauges to give you whatever you need. This happens to be a 10,000 psi unit. The unit has the gas booster inside, air and gas filters. We've got inlet and outlet bulkheads. The inlet bulkhead also has a braided hose that goes to your gas bottle to feed the pressure to the unit. An air bulkhead to feed the air, since it's an air-driven booster. On the back side, on the right here, is the outlet bulkhead, which is a 1/4 inch. On this particular one is a 1/4 inch female NPT connection to go to whatever it is you're using or whatever you're pumping up. These units can be used for anything from testing pipelines to valves and vessels, anything you need pressure for. They can also be used for charging accumulators, high pressure accumulators. The nice thing about this one is we've mounted it in a portable case that's got wheels on it and a handle. When this ships out, you don't have to package it or anything. The Pelican case is made to be able to ship this around. So you can ship it around the country if you're going to different facilities to do pressure testing on maybe systems that you've plumbed in and you want to test your piping before you commission the system. You can use this for that. Anything you need pressure for, you can use these booster systems for. The unit in the front here has the air regulator, a ball valve for the air shut-off. You got your inlet gas pressure and the outlet pressure and a vent valve. Also included in the unit down inside, there's a pressure switch that we can set for whatever your pressure is you're running. This happens to be set for 10,000 psi. So when you turn the unit on, you can just let it go. Once it reaches 10,000 psi, it'll automatically shut the booster off. And again, we can set those for whatever pressure you happen to be using on your system at the time. So I'll turn the ball valve on for this. We just have the outlet bulkhead plugged off, so there's not a lot of volume here. We'll pump it up, and this will should go up to 10,000 psi and then shut off. Okay, the pressure switch shuts the air off to the booster. We're up to 10,000 psi. Once you get the pressure, you can hold pressure. It'll stay there until you vent it off, or if there's pressure utilized downstream, the booster will automatically come back on and make up that pressure drop. So once you get it to pressure, you can turn the valve off. I'll vent the pressure out here by opening the vent valve, and there's just a valve in the back here. It's an open port. You can plumb that off if you need to, or you can just vent to atmosphere. Okay, another thing that's included in the system down inside here is a relief valve that's set for the pressure to protect the unit and what you're doing, so it will not overpressurize. This one happens to be set at 10,000, just a little over 10,000, about 10,500 psi. Again, we can set those based on what your system operating parameters are. Now, when you disconnect everything, the bulkheads and everything from side here, like I say, you just close the lid. There's latches on 3 sides here, wheels on the end, and a handle on the right side here. You can wheel it around. Very easy to transport. These units are available for sale or rental. If you have any questions at all about the unit, you can contact us, and we can take care of whatever pressure needs you have.